Holy crap, look at this thing. Dang, it's spinny too. Looks like a lot of fun. Can't wait to go on it. How do I get up there? Oh, look, I must go this way. That hurt, I hate walls. Look, I'm going up this failure. Oh, moonwalk. What now? You ain't got no skill. I'm doing the moonwalk. I have so much skill. Dang, I'm like Michael Jackson or something. Oh, look, now here we go. Here's a spinny thingy. Woohoo!
Hello?
Hello, this is Sergeant Robert Van Winkle. I'm just calling to report that they have...
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, sorry about that. This is Command speaking. What's up?
Yeah, I'm just calling to say that they have a new guy at the other base, so I'm pretty screwed down here.
Roger that. Hey, can you hold on 1 second?
Sure.
Thanks.
It's a small world, it's a small...
Whoa. That's awesome. That is cool.
Nice day. A little cold, but, you know, I can't complain.
Oh, look. It's a fat man. Fat rabbit. Jump.
Wonder if I was too mean to Rookie. I don't know.
This is the most fun I've had in my life. Aha, get up on a spinny, bad spinny thing.
I wonder where he went. Yeah, but he's stubborn.
I can see my house from here. This is awesome. I love it.
Oh, crap.
Wowee! Jump, rabbit! Jump, fat rabbit!
Yeah, that doesn't look good. Maybe if I could hit the rabbit. Ah, crap. I missed it.
Don't shoot! I'm on your team! It's me, the rookie! Don't shoot! Hey, look! He stopped shooting!
Hey, wait a minute. Who are you?
Ah! Fat rabbit!
Oh, gotcha. Alright, come on, now move. I said move. There you go. Now don't make any funny moves. My finger's on the trigger. Now stay here. Yeah.